Hey folks, welcome to New Beginning Window and Door. Come on in, I got something to show you. New and exciting here at New Beginnings Window and Door. We are now proud to distribute Lafayette window fashions, and as you can see, we have a motorized version going up right now. A variety of colors, a variety of choices available to you. And as you can see, this is all motorized. You can stop it at any station. You can go up, down, and have many different options available to you. As you can see, we have lots of fabric samples available for you to look at. So if you stop on in to 62 McKinley Street, Wappingers Falls, New York, or give us a call at 845-298-DOOR. And don't forget to open those new motorized shades so that you can begin each day with a beautiful view.